Alright, and maybe we divide the model one more time. Notice how it's giving me an error message now. This error message basically says that I have to go to the highest subdivision level to add one. And so I just want to be at the 5th subdivision level. So I'll just set it there. And you can check your active points here at the top of the shelf. So far I have about 400,000 polygons, which is a good amount for roughing in a face, but you can see, it's still faceted. If we were going to poor level detail, this wouldn't cut it. We would need to really push this quite a bit more, especially when we get in and we start looking at the ears. Then the ears are going to show us that we really have to push these things to get it going a little bit more, unless we are to edge loop the ears and all that. But in this case, I'm trying to focus on sculpting topology in very basic shape, not edge loops. I want to avoid those as much as possible for just this sculpting phase, because it helps with my sculpting to have very evenly distributed polygons. Helps an enormous amount. I'm going to go down a subdivision level to smooth this out a little better. I wasn't getting the control I wanted. Okay, we can refine that later. I just like to put in little notes as I'm traveling around the surface, trying to understand my model. Now, this upper lip looks a little odd to me, so just going to shift, smooth that whole thing out. And then move. Just get that a little bit better. Now also, I want to get the nodule at the side of the mouth. So I'm in the Move brush, holding Alt down, and it's a nice little way to inflate the surface. Might see if I want to pull this forward at all. Look at it from all sides and make sure that I got a sense of teeth in there. But this isn't a realistic character, so I don't have to sweat that too much. And we can continue to work with it and refine it from there, but I'm not happy with what I just did, so we're going to undo all of that. There we go. I lost that volume that I really liked. But I get the sense that that upper lip is just too much of the shelf. And that lower lip is too big. And we can continue to refine and play with this and adjust it from there. The cool thing is that you can get in there and be adjusting and refining the shape of this, as much as you want for as long as possible. Zoom out, check your proportions, and work with it from there. But that is a basic introduction to the sculpting tools inside of ZBrush.